Hello everybody, I am Nate, here with your update today. Thank you very much for joining me on the show today, as I'm going to bring you the weird but wonderful news from recently. Okay then, first, and researchers in Japan have created fully real teeth from cells in mice. Well, the study and project could mean that humans could have missing teeth replaced with actual teeth in the future, and human trials are expected by 2030. Could we be seeing this soon? Next, and scientists have found that junk food, which is high in fat, can cause memory loss in the brain almost instantly. Within 4 days of eating high-fat junk food, parts of the brain became overactive, affecting memory. The researchers were from the University of Sydney, and it shows a negative of high-fat, high-sugar diets. Next, and 2 endangered species of frog, the red and yellow mountain frogs, have been bred in captivity. Following years of effort, this is a big success story for mountain frogs, and it marks a turning point in protecting the world's amphibians. Moving on, and a Tokyo-based company has released the world's first adverts, which are powered by your genetics. Yep, it takes your DNA to get ads specifically targeted at you. Users get paid in points for showing their info with them. Well, it's certainly a very interesting ad campaign. Okay then, and we have still got plenty to bring you today, so don't go anywhere. I've still got plenty more to come, including I'm going to talk to you about the fish that has teeth on its forehead, as well as the wildlife experts that have found praying mantises in sex. Okay, but moving on, and during Donald Trump's visit to the UK recently, the UK paid £50,000 just to replace American flags. Well, the reason to replace the flags was because apparently the shade of red on them wasn't the cherry colour as it should be. Now, the flags, they were replaced, and apparently they were just a standard red. But the US said to the UK that the red was too muted, and they wanted it to be more cherry red on the flags. Well, each flag cost £800 to replace, costing a total of 50 grand. Next, and the Atlas blue butterfly, which is found in Morocco and Algeria, has broken the record for the most ever chromosomes in a multicellular animal. Now, us humans, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, but this butterfly has 229 pairs. And in comparison, most butterflies are similar to humans and have 23 to 24 chromosome pairs. So 229 is a lot more. Now, the butterfly lives in forests and hillsides and is part of a group of butterflies with extremely odd and bizarre genetics. Next, and wildlife experts have found insects called praying mantises in Cornwall in England, and these insects are not native to the UK and have been blown over by strong winds from southern Europe. Now, they could have also travelled in people's luggage. Now, the reason that this news is important is because the European praying mantis may be moving north due to temperatures, and the insects, they eat crickets, flies, moths and grasshoppers, and experts think it's only a matter of time until entire full populations of these insects appear in the UK. Moving on, and a farm in Derby has created a brilliant pumpkin village. Now, it features over 35 types of both pumpkins and squashes. And the weirdest kinds of pumpkin that they have on show are blue and warty goblin pumpkins, as well as squashes shaped like stars. Plus, they have a crate tower of pumpkins as well. Now, the goblin-styled ones are made specifically for their spooky looks, perfect for the Halloween vibe. Okay, next, an expert looking at species in Indonesia found a fish with teeth on its forehead. However, the weirdest part is that they aren't just decorative teeth, but they have a purpose for the animal. The teeth on its head are used to scrape algae off rocks and can also move like real teeth and add pressure. Now, it's very unusual to see an animal with teeth outside of the mouth. Who knew? Okay, and that is all from me for now. Thank you very much for joining me on the show today. You can head over to the website and the WhatsApp channel by clicking the links in the description below. And you can also make sure to subscribe by clicking the two please, so that you never miss out on the latest content. And make sure to also watch no other videos by clicking the two, and I'll see you